Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus Pad 2 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. Let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard, so for example messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. Now we have to enter the settings in this upper panel. Tap Add Keyboard, just go to the languages, they should be at the top. Tap on Add Keyboard and here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. You can scroll or you can search the language. It will be faster. Just tap on the language after finding it. Here we've got keyboard layouts, totally up to you which keyboard layout you'd like to use. You can use both or only one. And tap on Done. And as you can see, we just successfully added the language to the keyboard. Before I'll show you how to remove it, let's go back to the keyboard itself. And I'd like to show you how to use two different languages on the keyboard. We've got the hint, so all we have to do is to use this globe icon to change through the keyboard layouts. Also the spacebar is not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So now we can also remove the language from this list. Just tap on this settings icon, go to the languages again and tap on this this pencil icon, so edit icon, mark the language you want to remove and tap on the trash bin icon, and as you can see we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.